I'm on fire. I can take anything you can dish out, so bring it on.
Okay, 2,000 more.
2,000.
And 2, 3, and 4. No pain, no gain. And we'll be right back after these messages. Okay, bots, let's do this. And look.
Ranger Workout will be right back. Planet Tenemule is no more.
What?
Hello, Dallas Wanamaker here. Tonight at 5, another uninhabited planet is destroyed without warning or cause, marking the 4th in recent memory of our once peaceful galaxy. As a result, the President has requested our ever-vigilant Galactic Rangers increase their numbers from 4 to 5. Really? Just 5? All right. And now a message from the man himself, Captain Quark.
Space, a wondrous realm full of adventure and peril and, bigness.
Captain Quark?
The Solana Galaxy is our home, and as many of you know, it's in a state of crisis. The Galactic Rangers are looking for a new recruit to help with the investigation. So if you're a small-time nobody in search of adventure, come on down to the spaceport and see me, Captain Quark. Cue montage! Our next stop, Planet Veldin's Kizzle Plateau.
Kizzle Plateau?
That's right. The Kizzle Plateau.
Ranger tryouts. This is huge. Galactic Ranger, grab some sky. Galactic Ranger, punk. Ranger down.
Mission accomplished.
I need to pick up my ship.
I'll be there in 1 minute. Ah! Give or take.
Hello? Hello?
Are you ready to have your mind blown? No. Yeah. I'll take that as a yes. Boom! Proto-Lux afterburners, full Gadgetron weapon package, and a high-intensity mag booster so powerful it can pick up a paperclip from 2 kilocubits away.
I think there's been a mistake. I came in to get my ejector seat repaired.
Why repair something when you can improve it? Come on, have a seat. Now let's fire up that mag booster.
Oh,
Pretty sweet, right?
I guess, but why do I need it?
Well, you could. I mean, if you ever, I don't know. Whoa! No worries, I can buff that out.